How to make Verity sound more like the original voice. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make Verity sound much closer to the original voice. First, download the Smiley's Better Voice mod. This is an add-on for the Verity JE mod, so make sure you already have Verity JE and all of its required dependencies installed. Next, scroll down to the Quick Start Fish Audio section. Create a free Fish Audio account if you don't already have one. After signing in, click the link to generate your API key. On the Fish Audio website, click Create API Key in the top right corner. Give it any name you like, for example, Verity, and set the expiration date to never if you want permanent access. Once the key is created, copy it to your clipboard. Now, open Minecraft and go to Mods, Smiley's Better Voice Config, Fish Audio. Paste your API key into the API key field. The next step is choosing a voice. Open the Fish Audio Voices page and search for Verity. Listen to the available voices and choose the one you like best. Once you've found the right voice, open its page and copy the voice ID. Then return to Minecraft and paste the ID into the voice ID field. If the copied text includes the full URL, remove everything except the actual voice ID before pasting it. Finally, click Save, then Done, and make sure your remaining settings match the one shown in the tutorial. That's it. Verity should now sound much closer to the original voice. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.